Michelle. Let him get around. Let him cover. Take him back to that corner where you lost him. Take him back to where you lost him. Turn around. Don't face your dog. Put your back to your dog. There you go. That's it. Good job, Michelle.
Wait.
Let him go around and put him right back on course. Oh, you left him get away. Steady him up a little. Steady him up. Michelle, you're spinning all over the place. You're spinning all over the place. Watch your sheep. Now they're going to get away. You're watching your dog. Watch your sheep. Load your sheep. Walk. Hey, get back. Step on there. Good. Step out a little bit. Good. Keep him behind. That's good. Good. Way. Step in front of him, Michelle. Way. Good. There. Good job. Michelle, go up to the pen and you send him behind your back on a go by. You go right, let him go left. Walk. No, you. Okay, put him back to where you lost him. Go back to where you lost him. Turn around and watch your sheep, not your dog. Make sure your sheep are going where you want them to. Go by. There, steady now. You can keep an eye on him, just don't turn around. Go by, send him back there, go by. Get out there, go by, good boy. Now he's working, turn around, load your chute. There you go, now he's working. Come by, walk, come by. Good, get out of the way. Come by. Come by. Okay, now over here, step in front of him, away. You go to the Y, send him away. Yes, good job. Michelle, get between him and the Y. Get between him and the Y, there. Turn around now, drive the other way. Yes! Walk, Michelle. Michelle, you need to be over there. Get away from your dog. Leave him here. Away. Now you get over to... Away. Come by, out. Michelle, step right. Steady. Walk forward, Michelle. Walk. That'll help him. Now get out of his way. Good. Get over to your Y. Step in front of him, Michelle. Help him. There you go. Good. Drive the other way. That's the way you're practicing anyway. The other way. Keep walking. Keep walking. Just slow down. Let them go past you. Slow down. Let them go past. Come by. There. Good. Michelle, if you want him to go away, you step on the fence.